Good afternoon everyone. Nandito tayo ngayon sa Princeton Heights, located at Bacoor, Cavite. So meron tayong available na lote, corner lot sa Block 13 Lot 11. So ito na yon. As you can see sa screen, ito na yung available, corner lot siya. 169 square meter amounting to 9.7 million. So ang ganda ng location, no? Malapit po ito sa Mall of Asia and PITX. 15 minutes away lang. So ito po yung community ng Princeton Heights. Yan, nandun po yung clubhouse natin. Ito po yung main road. So 169 square meter. With a total contract price of 9.7 million. Yan po.